In today's video, we're diving into the exciting world of artificial intelligence and how it can supercharge your earnings. We'll be exploring the top 5 AI tools that can help you maximize your financial potential. Whether you're a freelancer, entrepreneur, or simply looking to boost your income, each tool we discuss is designed to enhance efficiency, streamline processes, and ultimately drive revenue growth. As we navigate through these innovative solutions, you'll discover how leveraging AI can not only save you time, but also unlock new opportunities for financial success. So, if you're ready to take your earnings to the next level, stick around. This engaging and informative journey will equip you with the knowledge you need to harness the power of AI for your financial growth. Let's get started. AI Tool 1. Chat GPT. Chat GPT is revolutionizing customer service by automating responses and enhancing user interaction. This powerful AI tool can handle a wide range of inquiries, providing instant answers to frequently asked questions, which significantly reduces wait times for customers. Businesses like e-commerce platforms and service providers have successfully integrated ChatGPT into their customer support systems, allowing them to manage high volumes of inquiries efficiently. For instance, a popular online retailer reported a 30% increase in customer satisfaction after implementing ChatGPT, as customers appreciated the quick and accurate responses. By improving engagement and ensuring that customers feel heard, companies can foster loyalty and encourage repeat business. Ultimately, the enhanced customer satisfaction driven by ChatGPT can lead to a substantial increase in earnings, making it an invaluable asset for any business looking to thrive in today's competitive landscape. AI Tool 2. Jasper. Jasper is a game changer for content creation, especially in the realm of marketing. This AI-powered tool excels at generating high-quality written content quickly, allowing marketers to produce blog posts, social media updates, and ad copy in a fraction of the time it would normally take. With features like customizable templates and tone adjustments, Jasper ensures that the content aligns perfectly with your brand voice. Effective content is crucial for driving traffic and sales. Engaging articles and compelling ads can significantly boost your online presence. For example, a digital marketing agency reported a 40% increase in website traffic after integrating Jasper into their content strategy, leading to a notable rise in client inquiries and sales. By harnessing Jasper's capabilities, businesses can streamline their content creation process and ultimately enhance their revenue potential. Before we get into the next topic, I wanted to take a moment to mention I am promoting a course called YouTube Mastery and Monetization. It's an excellent course if you want to learn about YouTube and how to make good money using YouTube. It also teaches how to operate your very own channel, even a faceless channel like I am doing right now. And you don't have to make videos to be successful on YouTube's platform. There is also a free webinar that goes into greater detail about the course. I have this information listed in the description below this video for those who may be interested. Now let's continue AI Tool 3. Canva. Canva's AI features are transforming the graphic design landscape, making it easier than ever for businesses to create stunning visuals. With user-friendly templates and design suggestions, Canva allows anyone, regardless of skill level, to produce professional quality graphics that enhance branding and marketing efforts. Eye-catching designs can significantly improve engagement on social media and other platforms, helping brands stand out in a crowded marketplace. Additionally, using Canva can lead to substantial cost savings compared to hiring professional designers, making it an attractive option for startups and small businesses. For instance, a local coffee shop utilized Canva to revamp its marketing materials and saw a 50% increase in foot traffic within weeks. By leveraging Canva's AI-driven tools, brands can boost their visibility and effectively communicate their message, all while saving time and money. AI. Tool 4. HubSpot. HubSpot's AI tools are essential for optimizing sales and marketing strategies, particularly through its robust CRM capabilities. This platform allows businesses to manage customer relationships effectively, track interactions, and automate follow-ups, significantly boosting sales efficiency. By centralizing customer data, HubSpot enables teams to make informed, data-driven decisions that maximize earnings. For example, a SaaS company reported a 60% increase in sales after implementing HubSpot, as the platform helped them identify high-value leads and tailor their outreach accordingly. Additionally, HubSpot's analytics tools provide insights into customer behavior, allowing businesses to refine their marketing campaigns for better results. Companies like this have scaled their operations by leveraging HubSpot's comprehensive features, ensuring they stay ahead of the competition. By harnessing the power of AI in their sales and marketing efforts, businesses can achieve sustainable growth and enhanced profitability. AI. Tool 5. QuickBooks. QuickBooks is a powerful tool that simplifies financial management for businesses of all sizes. Its automation features streamline invoicing and expense tracking, allowing users to save time and reduce errors. With QuickBooks, businesses can easily generate invoices, set up recurring billing, and categorize expenses, ensuring that financial records are always up to date. Accurate financial data is crucial for making informed business decisions. It helps identify trends, manage cash flow, and allocate resources effectively. Many users have shared testimonials about how QuickBooks has transformed their financial health. For instance, a small retail business reported a 30% reduction in time spent on bookkeeping, enabling them to focus more on growth strategies. By leveraging QuickBooks, businesses can enhance their financial management processes, leading to improved decision-making and overall success. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you learned something new or enjoyed the video, and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorials on making money online. You can even stay on the channel and watch additional videos that interest you, as we have over 100 to choose from.